showcasing a world-class position right on the footsteps of Mosman Village. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. It is in a boutique block and offers the preferred northern aspect. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you're immediately struck by beautiful timber floorboards as well as light-filled interiors. The open plan living and dining is spacious and connects perfectly onto the undercover balcony with a desired northern aspect. The kitchen is an absolute feature of this home. It offers 40mm benchtop, electric cooking, as well as space for a laundry facility. The accommodation is spread across 2 generously sized bedrooms, the master featuring loads of sunlight. These bedrooms are serviced by an original yet immaculate bathroom. With scope for future improvement, this property provides buyers with the perfect opportunity to add their own taste and touches. Something that I love about this property that I know will stand out to so many owner-occupiers and investors, apart from the flexibility of the floor plan, has to be that outdoor entertaining space. It's undercover, north-facing, and is perfect for all year-round entertaining. Other features include undercover parking, a storage facility, and brand new LED lighting throughout. The location is everything for this property. You're absolutely spoilt for choice when it comes to restaurants and cafes, close proximity to parks and local schools, as well as walking distance to the iconic Balmoral Beach. After walking through this home, I know it ticks all the boxes when it comes to Lower North Shore living. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise we'll see you at the next inspection.